Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azima, you can call me Azima, and I'm the 5th semester in IAIN Pare-Pare, especially English department. Okay, so for today, I would like to introduce to you all the sound, or I would like to practice the sound in this book. My title is Pronounce It Perfectly in English. Okay, we are going to the first sound. The first sound is a. Example, ago. And the second, affect. And explain. And practice for mastery is, or we can say in a sentence is, I heard her journey was worth the worry. The second is, the sugar was the color of earth. Okay, so now we are going to the second sound. The second sound is E. Okay, example, gym, if, in. Okay, practice for mastery or a sentence is, Jim is in the picture. Second, Miss Smith is thin. Okay, now we are going to the third sound. The sound is oo. Okay, the example is put, push. Okay, practice for mastery or a sentence is, look in the cookbook for a good pudding. The second, he would if he could. Okay, now we are going to the next sound is E. So this sound is more long than before I mentioned just now. So this is E. Example, B, he, sweet. Okay, practice for mastery or a sentence is, Jenny, do you see the bus? Please freeze the pears. Okay, that is the practice for mastery or the sentence. Now we are going to the next sound. The sound is oo. So this is also more long than before. Example is do, lose, and choose, food. So this is more long than before. Practice for mastery or in a sentence is, Sue knew the truth. Okay, the second, choose blue for the new room. Okay, now you can make difference between the short and the long sound. Example, full and full, stood and stood, wood and wood. Okay, now we are going to the next sound. The next sound is ew. Example, use. Okay, cute, music. Okay, practice for mastery is, a few beauties were in the picture. The second is, your cues are confusing. Okay, now we are going to the next sound. The sound is a. Or example in the word is up, under, love. Okay, practice for mastery. Buffy cut up the sharp. The dust is under the rope. Or the mother won some of the money, but not enough. Okay, now we are going to the last sound. The sound is A. Example, step, friend. Okay, practice for mastery is, let's rent a tent. Okay, there is there never gets upset. Or the last is, Fred said it again and again. Okay, the last one just now is a again. So well, maybe that's all from me. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.